So yeah, is what it is kind of thing. But actually get a snack or something when I get home too. Just eat a granola bar, I guess. Sorry. My body's saying it's time to go night-night. But like I said, I want to stay at least a little bit longer while we got good lightning going on. I think we had a little bit of hail earlier. I could be mistaken. It could have just been very large raindrops, but it kind of felt like it was definitely hail mixed in with the rain. I didn't see any like hail pieces anywhere, so I'm gonna guess maybe not. There's like white pieces, but I don't know if those are just gravel or if that's hail. Let me check that out here in a minute. After it slows down in the rain. Alright, anything else? We'll start driving home. And knowing my luck, I'm gonna miss beautiful lightning like that. We'll stay for a little while. At least a little longer. Well, or maybe we're ramping back up again? I don't know. I'm confused. Got rain again. The rain is coming down, coming down. Should doing those black screen videos with the thunderstorms. Definitely be a good one. It's crazy how that rain's coming down. Ooh. Alright, now we're starting to be more this way. So hold on. Reposition myself again for the 95th time. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's hail or not. Of course, there was a beautiful streak of lightning right there. That I did not catch, I'm pretty sure. I could have, but I don't think I did. Get the thing in the way. Right there. Let's try right there and see what happens.